Hello aspirants, welcome to my channel. Recently, Pratibha Setu initiative was in the news for its launch by UPSC for the aspirant who miss into the final merit list and providing the opportunity to enter into the some government departments and private sectors to lead their role. This initiative covers exams like civil services, Indian Forest Services, Engineering Services, Central Armed Police Forces, CMS, CDS, and Indian Economic Services, and not covering the exams like Naval Academy and NDA. This initiative was revamped version of public disclosure scheme which was launched in the year of 2018. Employer can register in the UPSC portal and get the login credential to access the data of the. If you like this content, answer the questions in the comment section and please subscribe, like and share my channel. Jai Hind.